Hello everyone. Guys, today we will discuss the data model in which we will discuss the hierarchical data model, which is a record based data model. So let's see. In the hierarchical data model, it represents the data into a parent child relationship model. Suppose parent child. It is a tree structure model, basically tree structure model. In this we represent our model in the data in the format of parent and child relationship, which means कि one parent can have one children, and we can also say that one parent can have many children. One and many relationship. So it is used to represent the data model where we have to represent the data into the one-to-one relationship and one-to-many relationship. Okay guys, so there is a we can say that there is a limitation on this one, because we cannot have this kind of relationship many to one and many to many relationship. Many parents can have only one child? No. Many parents can have many children? No. So guys, this is not possible in this scenario. So we have to represent only one-to-one and one-to-many relationship. Suppose there is an example. We have a world. World is here. Is the top is known as the root node. Here we have the node and the link relationship. We can say root node. All these entities are the node. So this is the top. That is why it is called a root node, and these are the. It is also called a parent. Okay guys. Then this parent, that is a world, have their children like Asia, Europe, Australia and the extra one, because we are here mentioning the continent which comes under the world are Asia, Europe, Australia and many more. Okay guys. Then after that, this Asia having the countries like India, China, Pakistan, Australia and many more. So in the Europe we have the Russia, Germany and many more. In the Australia continent we have Australia, New Zealand and many more. Okay guys. So in this way, so this is the parent also, and these are their children. This is the parent and these are their children. This is the link which tells the relationship between them. Then we have the state. If somebody asks me after the country, what are the state comes under these countries? So let's suppose take an example for the Australia country. So we have New South Wales, Queensland, then Tasmania, Victoria and many more. Okay guys. So this is the parents and these are their child on the basis of link states. Okay, so this country has states: New South Wales, Queensland, Tasmania and Victoria. So in this way we maintain the data. Basically when in the I think 1950 or 97, when IBM launched information management system. This was the application or the software launched by the IBM, which uses the concept of hierarchical data model. So that time it was quite popular, but when the relational data model came, it became down because of this limitation, because it's not going to mention the many to many relationship and many to one relationship. So but in the when the entity relationship and the relation data model or other models came, this model was going to be down at that time. Okay, so we will study the network data model in the next video, which is going to help in the many to many relationship kind of problems. So guys, get ready for that video, and I am coming back in the short time. Thank you.